Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Let's go to the reading today. I'm going to pull the last card from the first set. Nettle, time to take action. I love Nettle because Nettle is also for protection. If I'm not wrong, last week also when I was picking the cards, something related to protection had only come. So let's see, but here it is action in love. See the beautiful coincidence that is coming. If of late there is some issues happening in your love life, in your personal life, it is time to sort it out. The divine is asking you to sort it out because today, if you take the action needed for it, it will get sorted out. Accept, I always tell people sometimes the partners do make mistake. We should accept them and we should sometimes let go of it. You might ask me, why is it necessary that we let go? Sometimes people do mistakes, but if they genuinely seek for forgiveness, then we should forgive them. If they genuinely ask for forgiveness, there's nothing wrong in forgiving them. Rest is in your hands. Can you see the numbering also? It is 2 1 and 1 2. Somewhere all the divine, everything is giving an indication that the time has come for you to sort out your loved life, your personal life, and to bring in abundance blessings in your love. Nettle also being the element of fire, I would just say be a fierce protector of your relationship and also work towards it in such a way that you are standing and you are handling your relationship issues with beautiful energies, and you are allowing the energies to come into it in a beautiful way. And when it comes to the card of rose, there is some union or some, maybe someone who has hurt you is coming back in your life for good. Someone who has hurt you, there is a change happening in the relationship, but this change is going to be permanent and it's going to be good one, and it is not going to be the one which is going to cheat on you again. So just go with it. Today, if you have rose quartz, have bath with rose quartz diffused water and wear the color pink, because I feel you need a lot of pink energies today to let go of negative emotions and to embrace positivity in your life. Have a beautiful and an awesome day ahead.